Go.
Dude, roll him back down. Sport some butt at least. Hike those damn things up. Let's do it. You definitely looked it.
I'm gonna kill you. Come here.
No.
Kill you. Come here, Jeff. Come here, you little bitch. Jeff?
I'm hiding by the anthill.
Jeff? Come here. Don't make me chase you.
Yeah.
I will hurt you.
Why?
Because I can. Jeff, just come here. I want to give you a kiss.
No.
And a punch in the face.
No. Oh,
Yeah, I'm way too stoned. I can't do it.
My leg. Ah!
We're like monkeys.
Like a monkey.
I got some poo to throw at you too.
Oh, that's way too close.
You still?
Dude, you can't get none of that shot.